Lindizela phezulu iFulegi lakulelizwe emhlabeni kulandela ukunqoba kaZozibini Tunzi isicoco sokuba uZime Womhlabe emva kokuthweswa kwakhe lomqhele uvakashele isakhiwo iEmpire State eNew York eMelika.
uZozibini ubukeke ngumuntu ongazithwele onomoya ophansi lokho kubonakala ngesikhathi eqeda kwemukela umqhele wakhe wokuba nguZime Womhlabe.
It's such an incredible thing for a young girl like myself who grew up in a village in South Africa to have been able to come and compete here. Winning it is absolutely mind-blowing, not just for me, but for everyone back at home, because you never imagine these things to happen, to any of us. And so now I'm just still trying to take it in one day at a time, and now I'm at the top of one of the highest buildings here looking over New York, and it's absolutely amazing.
Kulezi insuku ezine ehluthele isicoco usenqonyiwe ngesiphakamiso sakhe sokuthi ufuna ukubamba iqhaza ekugwemeni ukuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. Yize abaphathi bohlelo bebecabanga ukuthi akushoya kulula ngendlela bebembuka ngayo.
Can't speak for the eye roll and what happened in there, but what I can say though is that I'm so glad that I got that question, because then I was able to express myself, about climate change and how we can all work together towards it. I mean, this is our planet. We can't look to people to save it except for ourselves. And I'm glad that I could tell people to, do as much as they can at their own personal capacities.
Ukunqoba kwakhe kusho ukuthi kungokokuqala ukuthi babe bane abazizuzele izicoco ezine zozime ezinkulu kakhulu emhlabeni ngonyaka owodwa bengabe baleni mpisholo.
I think having these 4 queens and who are people of, color is absolutely amazing, because it means that we're moving more towards a world where everyone can be considered beautiful.